Hi everyone. In this video today, I have set a table for one outdoors. Come on with me, guys. All right, so here we have this beautiful basket that I decorated with white sunflowers. They're so gorgeous, guys. I placed my initial, which is the letter A. Now here we have a single chair that I decorated with these white decorative pillows that were gifted to me. And here is the place setting. Isn't this absolutely gorgeous? The place setting is in the succulent theme. I absolutely love it. Then we have this purple goblet and the water glass that was thrifted. As a matter of fact, everything was thrifted except for the charger. We'll take a closer look, guys. Now, this video is part of a collaboration called Living the Outdoor Life, and it's an outdoor series that's going to run right to August. Now, the host of this collab is Design with Emma. I'm hosting with her, and along with us is Home by Design with Marilyn and Joyful Decor by Denise. So here's that beautiful place setting again. Now the napkin was a gifted item, and so were those beautiful napkin rings. Here we have that flatware, that gold flatware came from Party City before they closed, at least in my area. Now we have a clear plate. Now this clear plate is obvious why I kept it clear, because I didn't want to take away from this beautiful succulent dinner plate. Those were thrifted items. The clear plate came from the Dollar Tree. Now this charger right here came from Hobby Lobby. Isn't that beautiful? I love using this. And then the purple placemat was a thrifted item, and I am loving that placemat, guys. So we're going to go ahead and build everything back up again. I am loving that succulent plate, guys. I thought the purple and the gold went beautifully. And this is a nice place to sit, even if it is on your own, and enjoy the outdoors. I'm deciding to dine out here. So this is beautiful. Look at that purple goblet. That was a thrifted item. And so was the water glass. And there it is. So on a budget, you can create a beautiful tablescape, guys. Even if you're doing this for yourself, self-care is always good. And I really enjoy decorating out here, eating out here, drinking out here, just enjoying the peaceful time that I have to myself. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Also, remember that everyone is invited to this collaboration. You don't need an invitation to come and join us. Just use the hashtag Living the Outdoor Life 26. And I would be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.